Okay, we had seen how to go for installing Eclipse. Now we have to run our first program of Java in Eclipse. So here I'm starting my Eclipse IDE. Let's try to focus how the Java's program need to be written in Eclipse. When you start the Eclipse, it will be asking you the workspace name. Now currently it is showing me the workspace called as it is Abhay workspace. You can keep the same workspace, you can change the location of workspace, you can create a new folder that will be considered as your workspace. And if you would like to work on the same workspace again and again, then and you don't want this dialog box to come, then you can check on this particular checkbox. Okay, but if you check this particular checkbox, next time it will not be asking you for the workspace. So fine, I had launched this particular workspace of Eclipse, and now I'm interested in developing the same program of Welcome to Java in this particular Eclipse. So let's try to focus how to go for developing the project. This is what my Eclipse IDE is. If you close the Project Explorer, that's okay. You can again get it done by using the windows. You can go towards what we can say various windows, where you will be getting these options of opening the Project Explorer once again. So let's try to find how exactly we can get the Project Explorer. So when you go to the window, selecting Show View, here you will get the option called as Project Explorer. One project is already running, so I give a right click and I'm planning to go for closing this project. Now no projects are being opened, even if this ASD is also been closed. I would like to create a new workspace, so I had given a click on File, not a new workspace, a new project inside a workspace. So I had given a click on File, I had selected the option called as New. Here it asks me which type of project you would like to create. I would like to develop my Java project, a plain Java project. So I will be selecting over here the option that is called as what your project. It asks me which kind of project. I just say I would like to develop my Java project. Then give a click on next. It asks me the name of the project. I just give a name of the project as testing project. Which Java's SDK you want to use. I just say I'm okay with the SDK 17. Further, I just given a click on next. Please look at the various other option. This is the JRE environment, Java runtime environment, Java SE 17 is been considered. Now project layout, create a separate folder for the source file and class file. Yes, it is better. I'd given a click on next now. It is going to show you that which are different folders which are going to be created inside this project, and you can find over here the source project folder has been created which will be holding our various classes. I had given a click on finish and my project has been created called as what a testing project. Now inside the source I need to create the classes inside the project. So I give a right click and I'm planning to go for creating the new class. So here I'm creating the new class. It asks me the name of the class. I had given the name of the class as my first program, and I need that this class should have a main method. So I had selected the public static void main string args. If you want the class should be present inside a particular package, you can provide the name of the package. Otherwise, it will be considered as a default package. Right now, we will keep it as a default package. Then I had given a click on the finish, but please remember that you had selected over here public. No other options have been selected, and I had given a click on finish. So you'll find in a default package, a class has been created named as my first program, which has the main method. And I need to write a small statement which will be displaying me a message, welcome to Eclipse or welcome to Java. So here I write a statement by saying system dot out dot println, and I displayed the message saying welcome to Java. I need to execute the program and would like to check how the output looks. So fine, no issues. You can just give a click on this option that is run my first program.java, or you can give a right click on this class and you are allowed to select the option called the run as, and you can select the run as add Java application. This is not a web application, so just select Java application. Shortcut key is also present. Add given, click on OK, and you will find the output get displayed over here. So the task of compiling by going to the command prompt and again what we can say executing the programming command from. That task has been quite easy made by the Eclipse. It is quite easy to work with the Eclipse. So this is the first program which we had developed by using the Eclipse, a core Java program. Definitely in the upcoming videos we will understood how to use the Eclipse for Spring IoT, AOP, etc. Thanks a lot.